What's just the cheapest car? €1 car. Officially, it's officially a €1 car. Hello everyone, say hello to Lucia. 800 kilometers A to B through the Alps, over the Alps. Yeah, easy, right? Right, Lucia? Please, can you get me home, please? First checkpoint for my €1 car, the Lamborghini factory. Damn. Okay. Okay, so good news is, or bad news, good news and bad news. Bad news is all guided tours are off the cards due to obviously the situation. So the factory where you can actually see the Huracan and the Aventador being built is closed, well, till things resume back to normal. So the good news is normally you have to reserve actually now to go in the museum, but the lady said because I've just come after lunch that she can squeeze me in at 2 o'clock, which is in 10 minutes. Oh, I'm excited. This is gonna be good. Yeah, and she said, yeah, film what you like. I was like, I'm definitely gonna. So you're coming along with me. But yeah, let's go see how good it is. Oh, this is good. Lambo's my favorite. Yeah, boy. Wow, this MIURA is first time I've seen a MIURA in real life, and I can really see, why people love it so much. It is just, it's just beauty. That's pretty much, it's just beautiful. I cannot believe that it's from 1969. That's just like beautiful car, beautiful. Wow. Okay, so this thing is unreal. You may have seen it on Gran Turismo 4, obviously on the PlayStation. Now, that is a concept car released for the World Cup finals back in 2019. Sorry, glass is steaming up. But yeah, how cool is that? Basically, the designer designed it to be the ultimate virtual car. Obviously released on Gran Turismo, and here it is. In real life. It's amazing. I can't take my eyes off it. Wow. Right, I've just come upstairs. Don't know where to start, to be honest. Yeah, it's just like too much eye candy in one go. I can't deal with it. Right. Composure. Right. Let's do a quick music montage, walk round, and then talk detail, if I can. Do it. VENENO, the lady told me, even though it's not meant to be guided tours, cheeky Whimper Brothers exclusive, got a little cheeky guided. Right, this thing, 3 million when it was new, 3.5 for the Spider version, 13 made, that's including all Spider and coupes. This is now worth, yeah, that apparently is worth 7.5 million Fiat Seicentos. And that's because it's the coupe, that's the cheap one. 7.5 to 8 million quid. Euros. Quick stop. Catch my breath again. I can't believe this car. It's the Centenario. It's not like it's got carbon fibre parts to it. The whole thing is carbon fibre. I've yet to spot something that isn't. Is that not carbon fibre? Maybe that isn't. That yellow bit. Oh no, it's painted carbon fibre. Yeah. Wheels, carbon fibre. Well, admittedly touches of carbon fibre. But yeah, what the hell? One of 40 apparently. 20 coupes and 20 roadsters. It's just unreal. Like, my heart's just, I'm a giddy kid. Like, wouldn't you be? That's just unreal. Right, just for the record, just ask the lady. This one is called the Centenario. This one, VENENO. Right. Moving on to a bit of leaked information. They have unique Lamborghinis here, only ones in the world, which is this ASTERION. ASTERION. Yeah, it's the only hybrid Lamborghini effectively made in the world. One of one. Obviously there's quite a few of them made in the world, we know that. I think that's behind the I'm not sure which one is the most popular, the Huracan or the Anus. Just noticed this cheeky hybrid concept's got 910 horsepower. That'll do. Found another one-of-one concept car. This is a Gallardo. What's the open top Spider thing with like crazy cockpits going on? Only one in the world. Yeah, concept car, 5 litre V10, 500 brake over 300 kph. Nice. Let's go and check out the inside. Hang on. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it, Dr. MIURA. Well, whatever. Another one of one. Do you want to check it out? Here we go. This is apparently what the Lamborghini MIURA, if it was made today, would look like today. Are you ready for this? Isn't that it? Ready for some more one-on-one exclusive concepts. This is Lamborghini's family car. Again, only one in this collection. Check it. Damn. Well, Lamborghini Museum, thank you very much for having me. And the Whimper Brothers. Right, it's hard to say what is my, I say it's not hard. My favourite car was the Centenario. No, what was it called again? Centenario. Yeah, just the carbon fibre. I was just like, shawing. Unbelievable car. I mean, that was only worth like a few million, like compared to that VENENO. I forget their names. But yeah, since I've been, like I say, normally I would see a Huracan. Obviously I've been a bit spoilt today because we saw obviously two very special Huracans over at the test drive run bull bar, but I didn't even bat an eyelid at those. It was just like those concept, all those special concept cars, they were just Lamborghini but turned up the dial to like 11. And that was just, yeah, that's Lamborghini. Like, that must have been what the MIURA must have been like back in the day, 1969. Yeah, special cars. I hope it's made for a special viewing. I hope you've enjoyed it. Time for probably the most hardcore reality check I've ever had to face, from £8 million car to my €1 600. Yeah, harsh reality check. Yeah. Whoa, that's hot. Cause I've got such a long way to go, such a long way to go. Shame I'm not in one of those Lamborghini Centenario. What the hell is that noise? I don't like it.